Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to create a curved text design using Canva mobile. So the way to create it, it's so simple and so fast. Just follow this tutorial and you will get the same result as this. Okay, so now go to your Canva and then create a new project like this. And the next thing that you need to do is go to this text button on your main toolbar, click it, and then use this add a heading style, and then type the word that you want to create as your text design. For example, I would like to type maybe text curve, kind of like this, and then change the font of it onto a bolder font or any font that you want to use. For me, I would like to use this stretch font. Go back and then go back to your page again, click the text design and then change the color of it if you're willing to change the color from the text. For me, I would like to use maybe this yellow color, and then I would like to give this text design a little bit of touch. So let's just go to the effect and then go to the outline effect like this and increase the thickness from the outline all the way to the right, kind of like this. Okay, and then I would like to change the color from the outline onto maybe a black color like this. Okay, and then the next thing that you need to do is go to the effect again and go to the shape effect, this one. And as you can see, there will be a choice of a curved text, and you just need to click it like this, and voila, now you have this curved text. And if you're willing to change or adjust the curve from the text, you just need to tap it one more time like this, and now you can adjust the curve position or the curve angle, kind of like this, by swiping this white point on the adjustment tools, kind of like this. And now the next thing that you need to do is positioning it one more time like this. And as you can see, when you curve a text, the text design that you have will be look like it's stacked onto each other, and you can adjust it too by click the text design and then go to the go to the spacing, my mistake, and then just increase the letter spacing from the text, kind of like this. And when you're done, now this is the final result of it. And that's the way to create a curved text only using Canva mobile. And if you want to, I would like to change the color from the background, and I would like to use this gradient color. And now you can just save this project by clicking this button on the right corner from your screen, and now you have this curved text design on your Canva. And that's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.